Sometimes you will feel irritated with your mobile when it don't get into charging so easily. So in this case, my mobile is also doing the same. Despite of I connecting my charging connector to my mobile, it's not showing any charging here. Neither it's charging nor it's showing any indication what exactly I can do in this situation. Sometimes you might have drained up entire battery. So first of all, you have to charge it. If it is not charging, that means either you are not connecting this pin properly to your mobile, or in the second thing, you have not connected your adapter properly to your uh, socket, and this connector on the other side of the adapter is not properly connected. Once I have connected this properly, my mobile should get charged. Let's see. This one is happened exactly the same thing. Here it is properly connected. This one is also properly connected, but my connector is not properly connected. So this has solved my problem. Second issue. The second solution may be sometimes this connector is not properly working. What you can do, you can take out this connector from the mobile and try to connect any other mobile charging connector so that it will be connected properly, and this will make your charging successful. See this? The second option has been successful by changing this connector to another connector. That's all. It will solve your problem. So if this is also not solving your problem, what exactly the third one you can do is you can change the adapter of one adapter to another adapter. Take your secondary adapter and try to charge this one. These two three things will definitely solve your problem from the not charging to charging. And if still it's not charging, sometimes if it fully discharges, you have to wait for some time after connecting your charger. Despite even it is not showing any indication, you can leave it for certain minutes, like 2 minutes. You can be in the charging mode for without any indication, then try to power on by using your power button. If it's still not switching on, then what you can do, you can try to power it on from power and volume down button simultaneously pressing. You can try to power it on. I'm just doing it. I'm doing this will solve my problem. Yes, I'm holding power and volume down button for several seconds. It will solve my problem. It will go into fast boot mode. Thereafter, after certain seconds, you can still hold the same power and volume down button will make you into normal mode. No problem. Just hold it, leave it, and this hold it and leave it will show you the normal mode so easily. At least something is happening on your mobile, you'll be very free, and your mobile would be charging now onwards. There is no panic from now onwards. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. If it has worked for you, comment in the comment section, subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.